Okay. Okay. I am unmuting you now. Muting you. Sorry. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. So just see. Now, first question is fill in the blanks. Okay. Just try to write instead of chatting. Just try to write. Nobody should present. Remember. So, what is the first question? First question is fill in the blanks. So, just see, I am reading. The first one is wind is dash dash air. So, you have to write there moving air. What is wind? Wind is nothing but a moving air. Am I correct or not? Hello. Now it is clear. It is clear now. Okay. Am I audible? Hello. Okay. So the first fill in the blanks is moving word you have to write. Second one is winds are generated due to dash that's heating on the earth. So what you have to write? Uneven heating. What you should write? Uneven heating. Okay. Now I am applying the color mic and will move toward the blackboard. Okay. Just you just keep writing. Okay. So next one. C. What is the C? C is near the earth surface dash dash air rises up, whereas dash dash air comes down. So just see which air rises up. Which air? Hot air rises up and cold air rushes in. Okay. So just see the first word you should write hot and the second one what you should write cold. I have already written here. Just see hot and here cold. Okay. Now D number is air moves from a region of dash dash pressure to region of dash dash pressure. High pressure to low pressure. Air always moves from high pressure region to low pressure region. So I wrote here high pressure and low pressure. Okay. Now question number second is suggest two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. So how you will find the wind direction? Very easy method is there. Now you have not come to the scientific school so far. Otherwise, here weathercock is there, which is fit at the top of the building of school. Okay, weathercock very easily tells the wind direction. And second one is by flying the kite. Okay, so these are the two methods by which very easily we can come to know that what is the direction of wind. Okay, so in this way we can find out the wind direction. Okay. Yes, dear cadets, are you okay? Are you comfortable? Hello. Just a minute. Just a minute. I am starting my net. Okay. Now, okay. Okay. Hello. Now it is okay. Now problem may be at your net. From my side it is okay. Okay. So the question number two is also over. What is the question number two? Two methods to find out wind direction. So first one is by weathercock and second one is by flying kite. Okay. Now question number third is state two experiences that made you think that air exert pressure. Okay. So when I was explaining you chapter, I have not written the answer of this question because while explaining the chapter already I told you two experiences which prove that air exert pressure. What are the two experiences? The first one experience is that when bottle when bottle you are bringing near the hot bottle you are bringing near the water tap. So what would be there? Their size is shrinking. Same experiment you have to write. Another experiment also you can do. Just see, you might have seen the boarding and hoarding. Okay, there are so many boarding and hoarding during election time or during the propagation of any shop. It is there or not? But just see, in those boarding and hoarding, what is there? Small holes are they are making. Why? If holes they will not make, then air pressure will tear them apart. If holes are there, so air will pass through those holes and it will not exert the pressure. This is the reason. That is why in what to say, in case of banners, hanging banners and hoardings, small holes are made. Okay. Am I audible to you? So please write down those questions. Don't write questions here, write their answers. Okay. So I hope that these two experiences you will write. Now question number 4 is, you want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but not ventilators? If you are having, if you are having textbook, write down their questions also. Okay. Hello. Now I am near the mobile only. There may be problem at your net. Hello. You write the answer. And question you note down from the textbook. Otherwise, download one PDF. Okay? PDF of textbook from the net. You will have. It is easily available. Okay? So I am moving towards question number 4. You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? Explain your answer. Question number third, answer you should write yourself because there are two experiences of air exerting the pressure I have explained. Those two experiment you should write here. Okay. State two experiences that made you think that air exert pressure. So first experience is that only that experiment that water bottle you have what to say, you have made it too hot, and afterwards what, but there you were sprinkling water, then it was shrinking. So what does it indicate? It indicates that air exert pressure. Next one is in banners and hoardings, what is there? Small holes are made, especially if they are hanging. Otherwise what would be there? They will be tear apart, they will be torn apart, because air will exert pressure. Okay, that is why in the banners and hoarding small holes are made. I hope that you understand. Hello? 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 Now video is clear only, na? Just a minute. I am starting my data. Okay? Now it is okay. Now what to do? Network issue. Now I am using my data, my mobile data. What is not clear? Video or audio? No, just a minute. Just a minute. Yes. Okay. So now it is clear now. So now just think of question number 4. What is the question number 4? You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? Explain your answer. Hello? Now it is clear now. Okay. So I am muting you now. Okay. So just write down the answer of question number 4. The question number 4 says, hello. Huh? Okay. So question number 4 says, you want to buy a house, but house is not having ventilator. Do you want to buy that house? No, I don't want to buy the house because ventilators are helping to move out hot air and brings in cold air. Okay, just see in all the houses what is there? Small ventilators are made or not? Small ventilators are made. So just see, small ventilators are made because ventilators are always made upper side of the house, And you know, the hot air moves up. Hot air moves up, and so through the ventilator it comes out, while the cold air moves in. It moves in. So what is there? Now house will be okay, and people who are staying there, they will have the proper supply of air, and they will not feel the suffocation. If ventilators are not there, they will feel the suffocation. That is why I don't want to buy a house which is not having ventilator. Okay? Understood? Hello? You did not understand? Ventilator is, so ventilator must be there, na? If ventilator is not there, that house is not fit to live there. Okay? Okay, so shall I move to the next question? Okay, so now I am applying the color mic. Okay, because I have to move toward the blackboard. Okay, question number 5 is, explain why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. Just a minute. Let me rub first, and afterwards. Question number 5. Explain why holes are made. Hanging banners and hoardings. So just see, I am writing the answers. Holes are made in hanging hanging banners, hanging banners, and hoardings, hoardings, so that so that air can pass through through it. Otherwise air will exert pressure. Air will exert pressure, and hanging hanging banners hanging banners and hoardings apart. Okay, this is the answer of this question, and I hope that you understood. Okay, hello, yes, is there any problem now? Okay, I am using my mobile data. Okay, so note down this question answer also. Did you understand this one? Hello. So why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings? Banners do understand, na? Banners and hoarding, do you understand, na? You just see in the big cities, what is there? They are advertising the Geo. Now, so many advertisement is there, na? So big hoardings and banners are there. So in those hoarding and banners, small holes are made. Why they are making small holes? Because air exert pressure. If holes are not there, so air will exert pressure and it will tear apart those hoardings and banner. If holes are there, so air will pass through these holes and it will not exert the pressure. Okay? Did you understand? Hello? No issue? So shall I move toward the next question? Meaning of hoardings means big, big hoardings that you might have seen in the shops. They are using those hoardings or not to write the name to advertise some products, just like a play cards. Okay. If you are having any doubt, you can ask. So shall I rub this one now? Okay. So we'll move toward the next question. Next question is, how will you help your neighbors in case cyclone approaches your village and town? Okay. So just to see. First, what I will do, I will render my services to the neighbor in following ways. First, I will tell him, I will alarm him that cyclone is coming. Okay, so I am muting you now again. Hello. Okay, I am unmuting, muting you. Okay. Hello. Yes. So did you complete the answer of this question? Okay. Hello. Yes. Now there is a Okay. Okay. So let us move to the next question. What is the next question? How will you help your neighbors in case cyclone approaches your village town? Okay. So when cyclone approaches near the village or town, I may help my neighbor in following ways. Okay. Just see. I will rub the one and will write the answer of this question. I have applied the color knife. Question number 6. Question number 6. How will you help your neighbor in case cyclone approaches village town? Number 1. In following ways, I may help to my neighbor. Neighbors. Oh, first one, by alarming them about cyclone. About cyclone. Second one, by helping them to shift in safe places. Safe place. Third one, by providing them eatables and medicines. By calling emergency services for helping them. Okay, so these are the some help which may render to our neighbors. Okay, okay, dear cadets. Yes, are you okay? Visible and audible. Okay, so just see. I will unmute everyone. If you want to ask any question, you can ask. Please note down these questions answer. Very less number of people are joining. Only 69 fellow have joined. Why number is less? Okay. Hello. No one is responding. Hello. So did you write and did you understand this one? Who is sharing? Nobody should present. Okay. Okay. Actually, it is not responding. I am trying. Sometime what is there? Problem is there. Either in the Wi-Fi or net. Okay. It is not responding. That is the question. Okay, don't worry. Whatever your doubts are there, I will solve next week. Don't worry. Now, today, whatever questions I told you, just note down. Okay. Hello. Yes. You note down this one. It is not responding actually. I wanted to unmute you, but it is not responding. Not responding. Okay. So don't worry. Okay. Next time I will solve your all the doubts. Don't worry. Speak. हाँ हाँ make co-host. Make co-host. No, actually what should be there? Net speed should be there. Here net speed is not there. That is why these are the problems. Wi-Fi speed is also not okay. Sometime I am using my data, then also it is not okay. Okay, so no problem. Next time I will solve your doubt. Just today, whatever questions answer I told, just you keep writing. Okay. Now next time I will make, don't worry. Okay. Now I am ending the meeting now. Even for ending the meeting, it is not responding.